This full of fibers drink can reduce constipation and help with weight loss and maintenance. It may also lower cholesterol levels as well as risk of diabetes and heart disease. Arugula is a nutrient-dense food that is high in fiber and phytochemicals. It is low in sugar, calories, carbohydrates, and fat. It's high in several vital nutrients. Broccoli is a good carb and is high in fiber, which aids in digestion, prevents constipation, maintains low blood sugar, and curbs overeating. Along with this, broccoli is also great for weight loss because it is rich in fiber. Broccoli is rich in vitamins including a high amount of vitamin K, a number of B vitamins, and vitamin C. Bell peppers also contain a healthy dose of fiber, folate, and iron. Not only are green peppers high in iron, but they are also rich in vitamin C, which can help your body absorb iron more efficiently. This combination makes green peppers a superfood when it comes to preventing and treating iron-deficient anemia. Carrots are a particularly good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. They also have a number of health benefits. They are a weight loss friendly food and have been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improved eye health. Getting enough fiber is important for your health. Some types of fiber are prebiotic, meaning they promote healthy gut bacteria. Take this shot in the morning before breakfast to start your day with a great health maintenance. Let me know in the comments how you like it. I will see you next video.